Hi, my name is Suraj and this is XTB Meet the Team. I hold quite a few functions. I am the head of compliance, I'm also the MLRO, and I also have oversight over the CAS function. I'm also a director of XTB Limited. On a day-to-day basis, there's quite a lot of things that I do, but I guess the main areas that I cover would be the AML and onboarding for clients. That's quite a large and important topic. And then other things can include like market abuse monitoring, transaction monitoring, looking out for customers, treating customers fairly, and working on projects like the new Consumer Duty. So XTB protects client money via abided by the CAS rules and regulations. So this generally involves having a trust bank account which is in the client's name, where we keep all the funds that clients deposit with us. That way, if the company goes into liquidation or something happens to the company, those funds are held on trust for the client and they should get those funds back. It is really important to be dealing with a regulated entity when investing or using other entities for financial services. The main reason being is that the FCA have lots of rules and regulations which ensure consumer protection, they ensure money protection, and all the rules combined create a good culture around firms to ensure that there's less malpractice and things like that. So overall, clients have better adequate protection. There are numerous ways that XTB protects clients. One being, as stated earlier, the segregation of client money. This is probably one of the most important things to clients because they're always concerned about their funds. But there's numerous different ways as well, such as ensuring that the product is suitable for the target market via our appropriateness test. We have methods by which we enhance our consumer and customer services. This now enables clients to call up and ensure that someone's on the other end of the line to help them whenever they need to be helped. And then we also look at other things such as vulnerability, treating clients fairly, best execution. Those are just a few of the other areas. So the Consumer Duty has been out for a little while now. It was released 31st of July. Realistically, what the Consumer Duty means is that all firms and individuals within a firm have to go an extra step to make sure that the consumer is receiving good outcomes. This will vary depending on the firm, the size of the firm, and its activities. XTB itself is looking at areas such as vulnerability, training on staff, creating more management information. All these things should help us raise our level and provide consumers with a better outcome. I would say that the thing I'm most proud about at XTB is the compliance culture. It's not just amongst compliance staff, but amongst all staff, including sales, marketing. There's a real understanding of the importance of regulation, the importance of delivering good outcomes and things like that amongst all our staff. And I think that really feeds into a conducive environment for financial services and the work that XTB does.